Let's talk about air ducts. They play a vital role in your home, circulating air from your heating and cooling system to all of the rooms in your house. They're what keep you comfortable, but if your ducts are dirty, they can also recirculate pollutants to make some people in your home feel pretty crummy. What is a professional duct cleaning, and how do you know if it's time to schedule one? That's up next. I'm Eric Guyton, Master HVAC Technician with Goettl Air Conditioning and Plumbing, with over 15 years in the industry. My advice will hopefully save you time and money. At Goettl, we believe cleaning your air ducts isn't as simple as just vacuuming them out. We want to find out what's dirty and why. We will address the source of the problem, clean it up, and get it working properly. After all, we can't clean it if the problem is still there. That would be like shoveling your driveway in a snowstorm. There is one exception: in a new build. Nothing may be wrong, it just needs to be cleaned. Finding the problem and getting the ducts clean will make a big difference in your home, including improving air quality by removing accumulated pet dander, dust, carbon monoxide, and pesticides pulled in by your HVAC unit, eliminating odors trapped in the ductwork, boosting your HVAC unit's efficiency, extending your HVAC unit's lifespan, plus your air filters will last longer. Here are a few signs that you probably need your ducts looked at and cleaned. A dirty return grill, family members with increased or irritated allergies, you find yourself dusting all the time, or you have high utility bills. If you're noticing any of these issues, give us a call at Goettl and we'll help you breathe a little easier with the duct cleaning. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time with more homeowner tips.